Let's ditch the heavily processed cereals and go back to good old-fashioned oats for breakfast in the morning. Hi, I'm Kylie from GF Oats Australia and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how easy it is to prepare your oats in the morning. It doesn't take a lot of time and you will gain the benefits of that in nutrition as opposed to the sugary processed cereals that we have been used to growing up with. This is my 3-day kitchen hack. So I have put 3 half cups of oats in here. I have filled it up with water, put a pinch of salt in there. I pop the lid on, put that into the fridge, and each morning I bring this out. I take out 1/3 of this and put it into my pot to start the cooking process, which I'm going to show you in a minute. By all means, you can use the microwave if you need this to be faster. So let's get cooking. Now I've got my soaked oats on the stove in the pot and I have added 1/2 cup of water and I'm going to use my trusty spurtle to gently stir that. Now you don't want it too hot. Now while that porridge is cooking, let me tell you that you can actually use any of these 3 varieties to make a fantastic porridge. This is looking really good. After 1 minute, it's nearly done. Right, this is the consistency that you want. And just an extra little deliciousness, I pop in right here at the end 1/4 cup of milk of your choice and just finish that off. And that just brings out the beautiful creamy flavour of our Aussie grown oats. Check this out. Here you have your beautiful bowl of porridge. You can see the steam coming out of it. It is ready for whatever toppings you want to put onto it. Nuts, seeds, syrup. We have some beautiful honey and fruit sauces on our website. And I've also been known to pop it into our GF Oats Traveller, take it to work and heat it up there. Enjoy.